How to turn on two-factor authentication. Our specification is to turn on two-factor authentication on Bitrue application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn on two-factor authentication on Bitrue application, first of all, open Bitrue app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in now, just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you'll be able to view your profile icon. Just simply tap on your profile icon. To click on it, you'll be forwarded to this interface. To turn on the two-factor authentication, just simply tap on Security Center. As soon as you click on Security Center, you'll be forwarded to different interface where you'll be able to view your profile name, your contact, email address, and Google Authenticator app. However, I'm not being able to open this section over here because it will leak out my email address and important documents. So from this section, you'll be able to view this option called Google Authenticator. Just simply tap on Google Authenticator. From that, just simply scan the QR code and link the Google Authenticator app with Bitrue. So with that, you'll be able to turn on or enable two-factor authentication with Bitrue application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.